Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can change the mouse pointer style on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first on your Windows 11 go to start, click here. After clicking the settings is visible. If somehow you are unable to find these settings, type settings here. After typing click on open to open the settings. So I've opened it guys. On the left you can see some options are visible. You need to click on accessibility for mouse pointer. So we have clicked here. Herein you can see the mouse pointer settings are visible. Click on it. On clicking, we wanted to change the mouse pointer. Right now the mouse pointer is this. You can see here it is. You can change it to dark, black that is. Okay, now I have changed it. You can now change it to inverted in this way. You can also change it to the following by adding colors to it. Here it is. You can select and add colors to it. Okay, so I'm selecting and the color is getting changed. You can also change the size from here. Here it is. So these styles we saw: white, black, inverted and color. In this video we saw how we can change the mouse pointer style on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.